In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sender name not showing in Outlook. If your message list only shows subjects or other details, but not who the email is from. The fix usually comes down to restoring the right view and making sure the sender column is visible. Let's start with classic Outlook. First, open the View tab at the top and choose Reset View. This quickly returns your current folder to the default layout, which often restores missing columns and layout choices that were changed accidentally. If you are asked to confirm, go ahead. This won't delete emails or folders, it only resets the way they're displayed. Next, still on the View tab, choose Change View and select Compact. Compact is the standard message list layout for classic Outlook. And it's designed to show the most important fields, including who sent the message. If you were in a single line or preview, heavy layout, moving to compact often brings the sender line back to the front. If the sender still isn't showing, add it explicitly. Go to View, then View Settings and choose Columns. In the list of available columns find from, select it. And click Add. Once it appears on the right side, move from to the top of the list so it displays first in your message list. Then click OK to apply your changes. Prioritizing the From column ensures it won't get squeezed out by other fields when the window is narrow. Also, take a quick look at the reading pane. If it's taking up a lot of space, your message list might compress and hide certain details. Resizing the pane or temporarily turning it off while you adjust columns can help you see the full From field clearly. Now, for the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the approach is a bit different because columns aren't customized in the same way. Open Settings, go to Mail, then Layout. Under Message List Format, choose Sender Name first. This tells Outlook to prioritize showing the sender ahead of the subject in your list, which resolves most cases where the sender name seems to be missing. As with classic Outlook, double-check the reading pane here too. If it's too wide, the list can truncate important information. Adjust the pane so your message list has enough room to display the sender name cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching.